Mistakes sellers make on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and big sales events. Number one, they don't know the guideline, which means they don't know the requirements and end up with issues. Number two, if you have a minimum advertising price and you are running promotions for Cyber Monday and Black Friday, then there is a huge possibility that this will clash. So, the suggestion, no minimum advertising price during this event. Number three, make sure to tick mark the events. If you don't and just keep the start date and the end date, then you'll end up with a just regular discount promotion. So if you want to have the badge of the Black Friday or Cyber Monday or any sales event, make sure that you tick mark the events. And the last mistake, increasing your budget for the advertising. Don't do it. Because during these events, more customers come to the platform and buy the products. So it's best to lower your advertising fees and use them in the promotion. Otherwise, you'll end up losing a lot of money in the advertising. Because that time Amazon PPC cost really goes high. And a bonus, don't forget that the return policy for Cyber Monday and Black Friday is till 31st of January. So any item can be returned during this time. So if I recap, read the guideline and know the requirements. No minimum advertising price, tick mark the sales event, and finally, reduce your advertising cost. So thanks for watching. If you have anything on mind, just email us at info@ecomplete.com. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.